everybody, welcome back to Dragon's Reviews. Today we're going to unbox the Blackshark V2 by Razer. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look at some of the stats here with this. The Blackshark V2 features the Razer Triforce Titanium 50mm drivers. This supposedly boasts a high-end audio performance. We'll have to test that out in a future video. This also includes the Razer Hyperclear mic with USB sound card. This supposedly gives you enhanced voice features and advanced mic controls. We'll have to test those out as well. Advanced passive noise cancellation, uninterrupted focus, ultra soft breathable memory foam ear cushions, THX audio. This should actually give you the THX app once you plug in. However, if you don't, if it does not give that option, which I don't know during the time of this video, you will be able to purchase that. I think it's like about $20, maybe a little less. This has cross-platform compatibility for use with devices with a 3.5mm jack, and of course features Razer Speed Flex cable for minimum drag. I don't know how much drag you're going to use unless maybe you have your cable running across your desk, I guess. I don't know, but it's nice to see they're at least keeping up the headphones with that kind of feature. Just kind of looking over everything else here, just reiterates the Triforce Titanium drivers with some more verbiage. It has a USB sound card which you can plug the 3.5 into. It gives you more features. Pretty nice, bendable mic. So let's go ahead here and give you guys a little bit more of a better view. Alright, so here you go. This is the Blackshark V2 front. Here's the side. Here's all the little specs that I was talking about. Alright, so I guess let's get into the meat and potatoes here. I'm gonna go ahead and box this out here. Alright, so don't mind me, this video here, I'm trying a couple different things. I have OBS running with my phone and my web camera, trying to get some different shots here, just trying to make things a little easier, a little more smooth, better for the editing process too as well. Having to edit multiple streams and lining up the audio is tedious, to say the least. Alright, a little extra tape there, but not too bad. Alright. Alright, so unboxing of this is a little different than as I've seen before. Not bad, a little different. You are greeted right away with a little card here. Let's see. This is the sound just as important as slight as you are in game. Or I read that totally funny. Sound is just as important as you sound in game. Goes about the mic. Basically thanks you for purchasing this and thank you for choosing Razer. Protect your gear for the protection plans and whatnot. I'll go ahead and show that here. Alright, forgive me if things are not 100% line and shot. I'm just trying to have fun with this. Alright, so next you get a little packet. I'm assuming this goes over all of the instructions, like how to plug up the mic, how to connect everything, go through all the settings, whatnot. So we'll take a look at that a little bit more in a minute. Let's go ahead and get what we all came here to see. That is the headset itself. Alright, so just as I've done with a few other releases from Razer lately, they're featuring the plain simple cardboard case, which honestly I can't complain about it. That seemed like that was not in there the way they intended, but it is what it is. Alright, so we got a really nice Razer style black and green pouch here. Some pair cable or just nylon cable, I'm not sure which, probably both. Ooh, we're getting close. Yes, we are. Again, sorry if I'm out of frame at all. Still getting used to where I have to have everything here. Alright, it's got a nice little protective thing for it, I guess, for being the first time shipping. Seems a little overkill, but I'll take it. Got a nice silicone packet if you interested in those at all. It's kind of interesting. They pre-package some stuff here in these little like foam packages. So there's the mic. There's the microphone. The boom mic style or I forget how to say it, but yeah, so that's nice. It's removable, but it plugs in, so you can use it if you don't, and use it or take it off if you don't need it. That's that. And ooh, what could be in here, I wonder. Alright, so this is the cable and the little USB adapter. That is a neat little adapter. I wonder how well this actually can work with some other devices. I might even try this with the couple of my other Razer headsets that are 3.5 only and see if they benefit at all from using it. I can't imagine they would, but I don't know. The drivers might work. Alright, so I felt it would be necessary to re-record this. There's a few things I left out and wanted to kind of go over, especially my feel of this. Especially I've had a little bit longer to actually kind of soak it in here. And first thing I'll mention is this is definitely very light. I would say compared to other headsets I've had, they fall pretty close. I'm just kind of pulling out one of my other headsets so you can kind of see here the different kinds. I mean, in comparison, they're even lighter than these as well. Yeah, definitely a lot less bulky. Something I do like. To me, these are very these are very comfortable. However, the Krakens are, to say the least, a little bulky feeling. I feel like I'm wearing giant earmuffs, which, though are comfortable and have boasted to be pretty well, for what they are, it's not, I guess over long term, I actually really don't like wearing these ones super long term. For short gameplay bursts, they're not bad at all. But yeah, so that's those. However, these though, I already put these on here for a brief moment here, and they were already way more comfortable. They're a little more slim designed. They don't feel as bulky. I think overall they'll be a little more comfortable for long-term play. Couple different features about this I do like is the texture on it is pretty anti-smudge, which is a pretty known feature to come to a majority of Razer products over the years. I've noticed myself, and I do like that because it means it'll attempt to stay cleaner longer, be more protectant. The ear cushions on these do feel very memory foamish, but they're light. They shouldn't be too obstructed by things, so especially if you wear like reading glasses or anything like that. I doubt you'll have any issues with that. The headband itself is very flexible, something that I look forward to a lot, just because of the simple fact that I've had a lot of headphones that was a contention point or a stress point that ended up snapping due to that. And there goes my cat running by, as usual. Alright, so there's a little button on the bottom here, which I believe, if I look correctly, it looks like it is a dedicated mute button. So if you're talking and you need to mute that, you have a handy dandy button right here. That's actually very useful, this one right here. We'll have to give that kind of a shot. It does have a dedicated volume control right on the headset, which this I actually like, especially in comparison. I don't like when they're on the cord itself, just because you have to find the cord or attach it to yourself in order to find the audio, and that just is never, well, fun to me. So I guess the next thing to do here would be to go ahead and plug this in and kind of get a, I guess I'm not so much reviewing it at this point, but just kind of getting an initial impression. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I think what I'm going to do real quick first is I'm actually going to try it without the little adapter here and just see how the basic 3.5 is. Alrighty, let's get some sound coming out of these speakers. Here and actually plug in the card and give it a try. Alright, so Windows has already stated that it is setting up the Razer USB sound card, so that is how it detects it right from the get-go. I don't know if there would be any detection for the headset itself. It most likely will not show up as a device for that, but hey, as long as it says Razer USB sound card, I suppose everything's working fine, right? Well, let's go ahead and try some audio here and just see how it is. Alright, so far the audio is pretty good. I don't know if you can actually hear it, but initially it's not very it's definitely not very loud. For USB, it's not the loudest I've ever heard. However, I have not fully resynced the apps or anything like that with it, so it might have some better options. Now, the one thing I do have installed on here is the THX add-on from Razer, which I think already should prove to be a bit more. I'm going to go ahead here and change my settings and see how that is now. Right, so with the THX add-on coupled with the USB sound card, I will say that it is dramatically better. These are still definitely not the highest output for total volume I've ever heard, but then again, crisp noise canceling headphones should provide a more clean audio without having to be super loud in your ear and blowing your eardrums, right? So I guess we will have to try that out later in time here. Um, get, these are pretty simplistic. There is no lights or any additional features on them. There is the plug-in headpiece here, so I'll go ahead and actually plug that in now, just so we can kind of see how she looks with it plugged in. All right. Overall, that's pretty convincing. Not my favorite type of mics for headphones. I do like that it is obviously extremely flexible and just about darn near any rotation or piece that you would like. With that on there, it's not too bad. It's easy to control. I'll have to test it out in a little bit more detail just to confirm. But yeah, how do I look? Stylish, ain't I? Alright, thank you everybody for checking out the video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future releases and unboxing videos. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for products to unbox or review, please let me know down in the comments below. And catch you next time.